heard something. Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's Saturday weekend, and today I wanted to camp for a night. So I'm now in Brandon near Thetford Forest, and I'm just looking for a place where we could pitch up our tent. I found a place down there, but it's very close to a track, so I'm not sure if it's a bike track, so I'm gonna continue walking. Sun won't set until like 9 o'clock, so I have a lot of time to look, so I'm just gonna keep on walking, see if I could find a better spot. Right, so I just have to change course, guys, because there's a man back down there who's watching me, so kind of freaky, but I'm sure I'll be fine. I just don't want him to know where I'm gonna pitch up. Oh, we're still looking for a spot. I think down there will be okay. I think we'll be fine here. At the moment, and that's my tent. It's a Cloud Peak Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2, so it's very hot today, so I didn't bring any sleeping bag. I only brought with me this throw blanket. Let's unpack and get ready now before it gets dark, and see if I could start a fire pit and start cooking dinner. Right, so these are my food. Just gonna put it aside. Here's my I brought 2 liters of water for my coffee, for my food, for my drinking water. So this is my sleeping mat, sorry. My gas canister. So in here, I've got my wet wipes. Oh, the hell is that? No, oh my god. It's my breakfast. It's gone everywhere. No, what happened to that? I think so these are my clothes in there. That's what I have. Oh, this is my cooking stuff. Hopefully that will keep me warm tonight, but I don't think it's gonna be really cold, to be honest. It's getting dark now. We're gonna cook dinner now because I'm already starving. So let's start with my gas canister. So we have the Misua. Some eggs. I only need 1 egg. The rest is for tomorrow breakfast. We have our spices. Oh god, we have tomato, garlic, and onion. How am I gonna do this? I don't know. Right. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna saute garlic, onion, and tomato. That's our garlic. Alright guys, it's 10:30 p.m. and it's still super warm, super hot. So yeah, I'm right not to bring a sleeping bag because I don't need it. Oof, it's a really nice coffee. I'm gonna put it aside and then I'm just gonna read my books and chill for a little bit. I'm going to bed now, guys. Good morning, guys. Oh God, I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. Well, I didn't realize it was gonna be very cold in the morning. Well, it was warm until I went to bed, and then it started getting really chilly, and I struggled to sleep. I think I managed to get a bit over like an hour of sleep, but that's it. I'm gonna head to my car now, and then I'm gonna walk around the forest, and I'm gonna go to this river in Thetford Forest. Alright, all packed now, guys. Rubbish over there. The sun's out. Sun's out, yay. It's very happy. Anyway, I had a really good day, although I didn't sleep well, but it's alright. I can get some more sleep later on. And I have my website as well, where I do vlogs about my travels, hiking and camping adventures. See you in my next adventure. Thank you. Travelwithv.co.uk. That's my website, I forgot to mention. Love you all.